Okay, awesome. You've already got a great website. You've gotten people to it. We've gotten past the 5 second test. They got to the site. They knew exactly what you wanted to do, and they're sticking around. So now the next barrier is 30 seconds. If you can get them to 30 seconds, your chances of conversion go way up. The chances that they've actually read and retained something from your website, great. There's a few ways to do this, right? We can have videos, we can have text, but it all needs to happen kind of on that homepage. So we've had a lot of clients in the past and a lot of websites that even we've designed in the past where we've had really short home pages. We can click a link, let's go to another page. That's all losing attention. That's all using resources. There are a lot of people sitting on their cell phones, sitting at their computers that just want to scroll down for more, right? You sit there and you think about Instagram or Facebook, you're just scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. We should have at least that first 30 seconds populated on the homepage. After that, if we get somebody on our site for 30 seconds, they'll click links, they'll find more, they'll see that we have interesting content, they'll see that we have a service to offer them or a product to offer them that they want to learn more about. That's great. We're going to put it all at their fingertips. So what will happen is we'll have that 5 second get your attention section at the top. Then you'll scroll down and you'll start to get content. You'll scroll down, you'll get more content. You'll scroll down, you'll get more content. Maybe the first scroll is, hey, these are our awesome services. We're best in class. You scroll down again. Hey, here's some of the content in the community. You'll scroll down again. Here's specific products on sale that we think would be great for you. You scroll down again, right? And each one of those sections, though, you also have a call to action. So if anything in those sections gets your new customer's attention, right? You're trying to get these leads. If something in one of those sections gets their attention, they need to be able to take an action there, right? There needs to be a button, there needs to be a form, there needs to be a checkout, anything, right? They have to be able to take an action when they see it, because getting people to that section is super crucial. So, hey, they're on your website, good on you. They've lasted over 5 seconds, awesome. Yeah, if they last over that 30 seconds, they're yours, right? So 30 seconds on the page, that's what we're going for. So homepage, yep, above the fold or above the scroll, however we want to talk about it. When the site first loads, we want a significant kind of engagement with your lead that's going to keep them on the website. Then as they scroll, we want more and more content so they don't have to go anywhere, and you can at least hook them in for that first 30 seconds, and that's your elevator pitch, right? It's not a 5 minute elevator pitch online. It's a 30-second elevator pitch, and we've got to make sure it's perfect, and we're here to help do that.